Morning, you guys. It is Friday, October 1st. I am so happy and excited for October. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Kelly. I am seriously so happy and excited to have you over here on my channel. We are so close to 17,000 subscribers, which is so crazy. So definitely hit that subscribe button in case you guys are new. I still need to put some arm candy on, and I'm gonna be honest, I picked off my pinky fingernail. Like, what the heck? So ignore that. We will just act like we don't know about that. So I'm gonna put my hand down. Anyways, I am so excited to bring you guys along with me for today. I just got my new YouTube video up for Friday. So it is Friday. This video will go up on Sunday, I believe. So it's a little time traveling, I guess. But anyways, today I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with me for a vlog. I need to work out. I'm hoping to hit the gym. I want to do a spin class, and then I need to bake some cupcakes because my mom's birthday is on Monday and we are throwing her a birthday party on Saturday. It's gonna be so much fun. And I also just have like little things around the house to do, like cleaning, setting up. I need to plan some outfits for some videos and film. It's just gonna be such a great day. I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy vlogs. And first things first, I kind of need to fix my hair because it is just in this messy bun, which honestly works. I love it. It's so cute. But I also like having my hair down for most videos, but I was like, I just need to get this vlog started. So we're working with this. I have a cute Lily Pulitzer scrunchie that I made. It's on my Etsy shop, which is linked down below. But first things first, hair. Alright, hair is done. It is time to do the laundry. I just need to get it started because personally I can't stand doing laundry on the weekends. So I like to get it all done and like all the housework stuff done on the weeknight. So we're gonna do laundry next, and then I'm gonna get back to my computer because I have emails and everything. But this is something that I can do while I'm doing other things, but also it's nice to do before I have to start filming because it's kind of noisy. Alright guys,
hi.
It's been a few hours, but John's back.
I'm back. What's up?
And we are gonna make some cupcakes.
Yes.
We ordered dinner.
I don't know how much of help I'll be, but
you can be there supporting, making cupcakes.
Yeah.
But we ordered dinner. What did we order? Like
wings.
chicken wings?
Chicken wings.
So that should be coming in like 40 minutes. I was like, this is a perfect time to finish up and make the cupcakes. So we're gonna head to the kitchen.
Ooh.
To the kitchen.
Are we doing this live? Oh, I was not expecting this. Oh, we're
Alright guys, so the dryer is currently going because I forgot to finish up laundry until just now. But when John came home, he brought this. It's not focusing, there we go. It's like the Lonnie New pre-workout witch's brew.
It's their new Halloween edition.
It came out for October and it tastes like sour apple.
It's
like
incredible.
It
has a caramel, it's like caramel apple, like those caramel apple suckers.
Yeah.
So it tastes like sour apple at first and then it has a caramel apple aftertaste.
Yeah.
Like I hope they make it in the branched chain amino acids so I can just drink as much as I want.
But we have to add this to our pantry, but it was really good. And feel like we have to share everything that's in our pantry right now.
Oh, do we have to?
It's quite a
Is it
haul.
required?
Yeah. So we also have the, goodness, it's not focusing, the Hawaiian shaped ice BCAAs, and then the pre-workout breezeberry and sour peach rings BCAAs. Now we can add this one to it.
Bingo.
This one's my favorite, and then we have like ghost stuff. We have a lot. We should.
Oh, you gotta show it all.
No,
You gotta show it
no,
all.
that's for another day.
Now that you've committed to it, you gotta show it all.
That is for another day. We can't give all our secrets away.
Right.
We gotta show you one more thing, because it's October 1st. This just came out from Ghost. It is the Ghost Pink Blender Bottle for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I'm in love. It's so cute. We also have like a horrendous amount of cups going on. This is my cheetah cup.
I have a wide blender bottle collection. What can I say?
I love it.
Let's just close that one up.
Close that
Forget
one
that was
up.
ever there.
So,
Kelly, when's the full apartment tour coming?
the full furnished
Yes.
apartment tour?
Uh-huh.
Oh, is that a thing? Is that happening?
I don't know. Is it? I'm a viewer too, so I want to know.
I don't really have one planned, but I'm planning on doing like a decorate with me.
Okay.
Do you love how the balloons still there?
I like it. No, I'm gonna have to do a tour on my Instagram so I get some clout.
Yeah, your Kellyprepster's house. I'm kidding. It's our house.
I'm gonna get some clout out of it.
Okay. But
Yeah.
so this is the cupcake mix that I got. It is spice cake. We're gonna bake this. I'm gonna set you guys up here. Sorry for moving around so much. Spice cake. Okay, so we're gonna need 1 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. I feel like I need my apron.
I got the eggs.
BRB. On my apron. I feel a little extra right now. It's monogrammed, it's polka dotted, but we're baking.
Vegetable oil.
Oh yeah, so that's important. And big mixing bowl.
Let's see how that.
Oh,
Our bagels on the ground.
that's okay. How do you feel? Oh, we should take a thumbnail for like a big crispy type vlog.
I'll hold the eggs.
I think that's cute. Do you think the text will go over there? Okay. All right. It's time. Oh, this is the first time we get to use our mixer. Oh, I think it's down there. I gotta reorganize the kitchen. John's my nice assistant today in the kitchen.
Doing what I can.
They're a team player. Yeah. Making some birthday
Brand new
cupcakes.
3-speed mixer. Woo! Not a sponsor.
I feel like I really exposed us by sharing the pantry.
I don't want to talk about it. It's like a reusable zip tie. This is so cool.
Yeah, my mom had one of those, and it's nice because it's like when you put it back in the cabinet.
Yeah.
I hate it.
I have a zip tie on the plate.
Oh, that's kind of weird. Half a cup of oil. Sorry, our dryer's still going.
Yeah.
That's what that
It's just
is.
some nice white noise.
Some background sounds.
Exactly. Oh,
Yeah?
I think I goofed. I did goof.
I like heat up a little. I'm bringing this along with me. Let's begin. Ooh, is this your first time mixing anything?
No.
Oh, okay. You're doing a great job. Look at that cake batter.
Breaking it in the right way.
Making some birthday cupcakes. I just realized
Oh no, what happened?
that I don't have icing for these cupcakes, so tomorrow when we go get balloons, we're gonna have to go get some vanilla icing. That's doable, right? You know, I really feel like that balloon adds a lot to this frame right now.
It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful. Ready?
Yes.
I did get the joke. I get kind of nervous putting stuff in the oven. It's so hot. That could have been so so much more graceful.
It's not focusing. 2 for 2. Well done, Kelly.
Cupcakes.
Yay. On the next episode of Cooking with Kel. What are we doing on the next episode of Cooking with Kel?
We could do meal prep.
Okay.
We have blueberry muffins.
Okay. What about banana bread?
Oh, I think I made all the banana bread. Oh, yeah. Oh, cinnamon swirl.
Can we make some cinnamon
We
swirl?
got some cinnamon swirl. We got some blueberry muffins. Oh, see, and we got brownie mix.
Ooh. I'm hijacking your vlog.
Okay.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Check out that pink balloon. It's very nice. Hi.
Okay, so the cupcakes are in the oven. I think the apron is a little much, but of course I have to wear it because it's over the top and cute. It is time to clean up the kitchen and wait for our dinner to get here. Hey guys, our dinner just got here.
It's here.
I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Are you excited?
Yeah, you want to show them how many wings you got?
No. So I got some chicken wings. You can have my ranch. That looks good. And I got some barbecue ones too.
22 wings.
And we're gonna watch a documentary on Hulu. Alright guys. So we finished baking the brownies, we ate dinner, I filmed a video.
It's been quite a time warp.
Yeah, it's been pretty crazy.
I watched a couple episodes of the TV show.
Yeah, so we're watching the
D'Amelio
show on Hulu. It's pretty good. I heard a recommendation in a podcast, so I was like, I'm gonna check it out. Of course, I made John watch it with me. But we are headed to the gym. I'm so excited. We're putting some mail in the mailbox because we have like a mail slot in our apartment. And that is the update. It is like 10 o'clock right now. We're hitting a nice late night workout. Gotta fill the rings on our watches. But that is the update. Gym time! Hi!
What's up?
Alright, you guys.
What's up?
I totally fell asleep after last night's workout.
Yeah, we crashed out. I think
Yeah.
we made it back in about 5 minutes. We were asleep.
So we are continuing the workout. It is Saturday. Well, continuing the vlog. It's Saturday. We're about to go work out. I'll show you guys my workout outfit. And I just finished icing the cupcakes. We ran and got balloons. It's gonna be a good day. So I'm excited to show you guys this fit because I just got it. So this is the Fabletics outfit. I think I said I was gonna wear it the other day. But so I have these Fabletic Power Hold leggings. They're seriously so comfy in red. And then it came with a black sports bra, but I just put this Nike top on top. I have my little M&D sneakers. So cute. And my Apple Watch to work out.
The workout's kicking in. I'm buzzing. It's time to go.
Time to go. So I just finished editing today's video. I got dressed. I haven't my makeup on, but my hair, I wash it and it's air drying, and I'm just ending it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys want to see more videos like this. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part was, and I will see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.